Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here, to this nook of the internet, where you can safely let go and give yourself 10 minutes that you deserve. This 10-minute meditation to rebalance your energy and let go of the heavy and find your flow will help you morning or evening to feel more aligned with yourself. So whenever you're ready, if you haven't yet, find a comfortable seated or lying down position. Take a slow, deep breath in. Let your shoulders drop. Feel the weight of your body grounding into the surface beneath you. You're free to just let yourself be. And there's nowhere else you need to be but right here. As you settle, feel your body relax and begin to inhale and exhale. Each breath is a soft surrender, and each breath in is an invitation to arrive a little more fully in this moment. You are safe here. You are allowed to pause, and you are allowed to arrive. So whenever you're ready, close your eyes gently to fully immerse in this moment for yourself. Now gently bring your awareness inward. No judgment. Notice what feels heavy within you today. It could be a thought that keeps circling, a tension that you can't quite name, or just tiredness which is resting beneath the surface. Just notice whatever it may be, as if you were watching the clouds drift across the sky. They come, they move, and they pass. Take a slow breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. The simple act of noticing whatever feels heavy within you can really soften the edges, and you're already releasing that feeling. Whatever the tension is, or the thought, or whatever it is that feels heavy, doesn't need to stay. Let's imagine it being carried away through your exhale. You might see it as a colour, a mist, a weight leaving the body, whatever image feels right for you. And with each out-breath, this heaviness dissolves. Your shoulders loosen. Your jaw unclenches. And your chest opens a little more. And as you inhale, something lighter returns. Space, clarity, ease. Return to the natural rhythm of your breath. It is a rhythm, a soft tide moving in and out, washing through every part of you. We are releasing today, not by effort, but by allowing. And by doing this, we are leaving you lighter, clearer, and freer. Imagine yourself just like the waves, inhaling and exhaling. That gentle rhythm. The tide moving in and out. You breathing and out. Beneath the surface of your thoughts and beneath your breath, there is a deeper rhythm. There is another flow. The rhythm that you've started right now, your inner current. This quiet pulse of life has always been with you. When things feel angled or still, this current keeps flowing. The tide keeps moving patiently, faithfully. We just sometimes get lost and can't feel it. So place a hand on your heart and feel its steady beat. This is the rhythm that's been guiding you from the very beginning. As you feel your breath expanding, the rhythm expanding through your chest, down your arms into your legs, and it fills your entire being with gentle motion. You don't have to make it happen, but we have to remember that it's always there and we can come back to it. This is your natural flow, your rhythm, the way you breathe. Now bring some awareness to the space around your heart. It feels open, spacious, soft and awake. Very different from when we started this meditation, where probably there was some heaviness somewhere. Flow becomes trust. Trust in your body, trust in your breath, and the quiet intelligence within you. Flow, our inner flow, happens when we trust ourselves enough to let go. Inhale ease and exhale resistance. Each breath is proof that life moves through you effortlessly. It's a unique expression of balance, rhythm, and grace. The more you trust this natural flow, the more life begins to move with you and not against you. So whenever you're feeling heaviness, know that we can put the heaviness up into the sky like the clouds, let it drift by, and we can return to our breath, our inner flow, which will always ground us, which will always make us feel aligned. Take one final deep breath in and let it out slowly. One breath, one heartbeat, one moment at a time. Start to feel the room around you. Perhaps roll your shoulders back. Open your eyes and carry this flow with you into your thoughts, your movements, your choices. Thank you, beautiful souls, for being here. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation and you feel refreshed and ready to go and aligned with your inner flow. Remember to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.